Hi everyone, I'm Domingo from Newesk, and if you use WhatsApp, it's time for a cleanup. Whether on your iPhone or Android, go into WhatsApp settings, storage and data, and here deactivate the option for auto download in everything. This is more of a preventive measure, but it's quite useful for the groups you're in. Now in manage storage, you will see the total use space of the app and the option for disappearing messages, which I recommend activating for better efficiency. Back in larger than 5 megabytes, you will see the heaviest files you have, and if you want, you can delete all of them or just some. To finish, below you can see which chats have taken most space and basically, well, do the same. Doing all this, it will save some space at the same time that it prevents you from downloading everything in the future. But if you have done all this and the app is still so heavy that you don't even know why, well, it's maybe because of the backups that you have on your phone. So on Android, use a file explorer and go into Android folder, media, com.whatsapp, WhatsApp, and here we will find the databases folder, which it can take a lot of space. By deleting this folder, you will gain a lot of storage, and don't worry that doing this, you will not delete your conversations, videos, or pictures. It will only delete the local backup that you have done in the past. And if you have a backup on Google Drive, you don't have anything to worry about. And if not, well, first make a backup on Google Drive before deleting this folder. In the case of the iPhone, simply make a backup on iCloud and then reinstall the app. And that's it. That's all you need to know about this. And look, we didn't even reach the 2 minutes mark, and you have a bonus of seeing me pet my cat. So if you didn't give me a like for the video, at least do it for him. Anyway, I see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.